Hot costs are extremely helpful when it comes to keeping track of your production's budget. In Hours Plus, you can run a hot cost report to see how much of the budget was spent on labor, and then use this data to make any necessary adjustments to your production. To get started, click the Crew List tab in the top navigation. This is where you'll be editing your hot cost budgets. Click Edit Hot Cost Budgets to begin. Add your budget data in the fields shown. You can come back and edit these fields whenever necessary. However, data entered here doesn't need to be entered again. Add once and done. Just remember to come back to this page to add data for new crew that are added to your project. Click Save after you finish entering old data. In order for hot costs to be most effective in Hours Plus, you'll want to utilize daily timesheets. This is where you'll add timecard data for your crew by day. Ensure that you've added as much information as possible so Hours Plus can calculate your labor budget correctly. When everyone has been accounted for and you've entered as much timecard information as possible, click Save. Click the Reports tab to generate your hot cost report. Choose a day and then click Run. If you're missing values in your timecard data, a message will show asking if you'd like to proceed with running the hot cost report. You can add the missing data by returning to the Daily Timesheet screen. You can also manually input data after you've run the report by clicking Run Anyway. Your hot cost report will populate in an XLSX file. Open the file to review your budgeted labor against your actual labor information. Each row represents a time card. If we scroll to the right of the report, we can see how the actual labor amounts for each crew member compare to the amounts that were budgeted. The call, meal, and wrap times can be treated as a precursor to a production report if you delete sensitive rate information prior to sending to your production report generator. As we continue scrolling, you can see the 1x and 1.5x columns contain the results of the calculation engine. You can even manipulate these columns to your liking to try different hypotheticals. The rest of the sheet is based on formulas, so it'll update automatically. Calculations are based on actual contractual working conditions applicable to each employee, including any negotiated terms specific to your project. When you click on a cell, you'll see real values or formulas populated in the spreadsheet. You can, however, edit these cells if needed. Just keep in mind that manipulating one cell will update all other values in that row. Using the full power of the Hours Plus engine, generating your production's hot cost report just got a whole lot easier. With all your data and information already populated in Hours Plus, you can work more efficiently by focusing on what matters most.